Hey, thanks for tuning back into my channel. This is Tiffany. Just wanted to come in and do a video showing you how I achieve my ponytail using a banana clip. So if you're interested in seeing how I do that, then please stay tuned. Alright, so let's just go ahead and get started. It is best to do this with wet hair. What I'm going to do is use my squirt bottle and just apply. This is basically it. So it gives you hang time in the back and it gives you that fullness of a ponytail. So this is a finished look, and that was quick and easy. Thanks again for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you again on the next video. Peace.
Ratchet, girl, get your hair did. If you can't afford it, we'll show you how to sport it. Tiffany's tutorial will have you looking gorgeous and make your man say your hair is tighter than a fortress. My natural tresses. Natural tresses? Yes, it's a new product line of hairdresses. The trend's all natural. Leave the creamy crack alone. Start transitioning to get your big chop on. Don't worry, girl, we'll show you what to do once the hair is gone. My natural tresses coming soon, so stay logged on. My natural tresses coming soon, so stay logged on.